Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to day 2. So today is August 21st of 2019 with some morning announcements for today. First and foremost, our lunch choices. We have beef and cheese nachos, twisted dog, or chef salad with a roll. And I hope all boys and girls had a great day for their first day. You got well rested, and we're all tired last night, so we're looking forward to having another great day with you today. Boys and girls, just a reminder about when you're in the cafeteria. Remember, if you need anything, raise your hand. And then also, do not throw away your trash on your own. The trash cans come around. You can just throw them away. Throw away your lunch and anything else that you might have into the garbage cans when it comes around to you where you're sitting. And last thing, boys and girls, just remember the countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure you're looking at the adult and getting directions. If you do those 3 things, you'll have a very successful time in the cafeteria. Today I thought I'd share something special with you that some girls made last year for our Perry School song. It is something that you'll be learning in music class throughout this year. So I thought I would kind of kick off a new year with the school song.
Alright, today we have a special treat. We're going to have the girls be doing the Perry School song today. So, 1, 2, 3.
Possibly attitude, activity, working hard, showing respect. It's really cool to be at Perry School. Feel it in my feet, feel it in my heart, feel it all over me. I'm going to read, I'm going to write, I'm going to read, I'm going to write at Perry School. When the doors are open wide, I walk in with very pride. I'm going to read, I'm going to write at Perry School. Woo!
Thank you, and I'm sure some of you probably joined in with that school song, and thank you very much for the girls who are now in 5th grade who made that video in 4th grade last year. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. And everyone have a wonderful day today. Make sure that you're doing a lot of great learning happening inside the classrooms. We're all very excited for the school year. So I hope everyone has a great day. Make some great choices. And remember, always have your paws with you.